Month of September, going in strong. We're doing great. Pretty good game. We did a great job with the stream last night with the Starlight fundraiser. Little Miss Nikki kicked ass on the front page for Starlight. We on fire. Jane Henry, I think, is in action. We got a lot of other fun streamers out there. So as a whole, we've been doing great. I'm really appreciating y'all for the donation. I want to say a thank you to also another individual who personally sent a donation outside of the Twitch to me personally for what we're doing for Starlight. That was very beautiful of them, and you just don't know how much. Oh, look at C-Fan in the house. They just don't know how much that individual came through for me because that was outside of Twitch, so I didn't have to split that money with Twitch, for one. The funds will be going back into, I like to put it back into cheers and gift subbing those individuals who are very supportive. I try to keep it back into the flow of the community. It is September, y'all, so take advantage of that right now. $1 off on these subs. So it's a very good opportunity to be able to come through and, you know, go for your favorite. I got some favorite streamers. They're like everybody else got favorite streamers. Shout out to Kanar and all the food and drink bone-in folks and stuff. Chef Steve, you know, Furbaka. I mean, everybody's got their favorites and stuff, right? And I go in there and do the same, just like y'all do for me. And if you are a streamer, that time will come as well. I like to gift everybody that also hooks us up. Let me see if I got my chicken wing going. Not hot just yet. We almost there on the fry. How long I've been streaming? Officially, I've been streaming for a year, if you want to say officially. Now, here's the kicker. This is the kicker right here. If you want to say unofficial, it was roughly almost 2 years. And I'll explain to you why. I jumped into it trying to figure things out. So the first thing I went to go do was visit. I got a picture that shows me having the first visit in Texas when Chef Steve came into Texas to visit. He wasn't living here yet. He was coming down to visit Zero and Little Miss Nikki. And they were inviting him. They invited him over to where they live at to crash and be able to get himself established to work in Texas because he was ready. He has a series of businesses, food trucks, and he was ready to bring that food and drink business of the food truck into Texas. And he's been here for like a year. So it was that process. So we actually have a photo of a cookout that we did. We did an actual meetup of the food and drink. And that's how I got connected with them. They came to my stream. I was streaming Madden. My stream was not on fire. It was like 4:3 ratio. It was jumping. The audio was crackling. It was you could barely see it. I remember when he lived with them, I used to watch some. Okay, yeah, man, my streams was but I had really good stream voice. It was potential, and it was Zero. Zero came into my stream, was like, dude, I like you. You like football, blah blah blah, and they saw me doing food and drink when I started and